Today I'm making birthday cake cookie cups. First I'm going to add this Pillsbury birthday cake cookie dough into a muffin pan and then bake these at 350 for 15 minutes. Once the cookies are done baking, I'm going to use the back of a teaspoon to make little wells in each cookie cup. Next I'm going to make the cake batter frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Then add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cake batter extract. Mix it up until everything is combined. Next add a tablespoon of milk and mix that up. Once the cookie cups are cooled, I added them to a tray and I put the frosting into a piping bag, and I'm going to add a swirl of frosting into each cookie cup. Now I have a bowl of rainbow sprinkles. I'm going to dip each cookie cup into the sprinkles. Here's an up-close look of the birthday cake cookie cups.